friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to turn on aeroplane mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to on your aeroplane mode in your Realme phone, so friends you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on aeroplane mode in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to on your aeroplane mode. So friends, after on phone setting guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys this type of setting friends. So you can see guys your connection and sharing option. So friends, tap here. So guys, first of all guys, you can see your aeroplane mode setting. So as you want to on, so you can on from this right side. After on guys, after guys, you can see your hotspot setting will not work, and guys you cannot use guys your mobile data also, and guys you cannot call your friend, and anyone guys they also cannot call your friends. So you can use guys your like download movies, offline games you can play after on airplane mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye bye.